Hello family, welcome to the channel. The name is Boache and I'm back with another amazing video on the Boot channel. I don't know why I feel the strong urge to tell you this. That thing that you've been searching for and you've been spending so many years tirelessly working towards it. And you think that you've lost because it's been so long you've waited for that thing. Let me tell you, you can get it in a day. And I hope this message gets to you right. You know that a lot of people are working very hard in their lives, and people think that things have to be relative. If I have to get there on time, I should have started 3 years ago. If I want to get to where I want to get to, I should have started about some years ago. But you know something? There's restoration coming your way. You will get it in a day. Whatever you have wasted time on, and you think that your life has been wasted, no matter the age, it doesn't matter. You will accomplish whatever you want to accomplish before you leave this earth. You are going to do wonders. I don't know why I feel the strong urge to put this message out there. But listen, there's restoration coming your way. No matter where you are, no matter who you are, no matter where you find yourself, no matter the stage that you are right now, thinking that maybe I should have started this earlier, but I've wasted so much time. I've wasted so much effort on things that don't matter. So it's too late. It's never too late. Something is going to happen that will shock you. Believe that restoration is coming your way and you are going to accomplish something. This is the message that I felt like sharing to you today. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again, stay safe. This is the Mode channel, a channel that seeks to inspire, motivate, and edify people from all walks of life. So don't be discouraged. Keep moving. Restoration is coming your way. You are going to recover and reclaim all the lost years. Bye.